We can play a song on the phone, and we can do
Cha-cha
like
slide
the
on the phone.
dance together. But where at? Not here. Oh no.
If it was light outside, we would do it outside.
You gotta leave early. That is a little bit early, like 10 o'clock in the morning. Like, what the heck? That is mad. This time we should be in bed. And we're recording. You know that? Did you know that we're recording?
Oh.
No.
I didn't know it either.
I've been sitting here like,
we got 2 white girls
And
the
one black girl.
and we get down. We get
Shut
down.
We got this Oreo over here.
Oh, my head's too big to get over there. I don't know why I started recording. I didn't push record.
You just been recording this.
That sounds so dirty.
J for jackass.
For just so perfect.
Just so perfect. Just
that
so
awesome.
sexy. Just so beautiful. M. Hold on.
Ew. Shut up. Oh, ew.
This is what we eat over here.
Burger King home dog.
You see that? We get large cups too. And then we save them for our kitchen.
We ghetto.
We even use pickle jars for cups. You know how they say, what goes up must come down?
No, we should have recorded us clowning when we were waiting for Shirley.
Oh yeah, but my computer is about to go dead. Well, it's like completely dead.
I got things for your phone.
I hate this fucking phone.
I hate you too.
Don't stop.